almost done.
Wait, young fatty. Don't stand in front of the microwave.
No! Why did you do that? My casserole was almost done.
It's not safe to stand in front of the microwave. You should stand quite a ways from it when it's cooking.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I guess I'll stand far away from the microwave when it's cooking.
That's not true, fatty. You can stand as close to the microwave oven as you want while it's cooking. Now come hither and give heed. Let me take you on a magical journey to show you the wonders of microwave cooking.
Golly, that sounds swell.
This is a war pole.
Whoa!
Let's go, fatty.
Thank you. Where are we?
Raytheon Corp.
Wow.
That's Percy Spencer over there, the inventor of the microwave oven.
Really? What's he doing?
He's testing the heating power of the magnetron.
That's whack.
You're whack. Let's watch.
Man, this magnetron is sure hard work.
Hey, Percy, what you got there?
It's a magnetron.
That's cool.
Yes.
What are you doing with that magnetron?
See, Dad, yesterday a chocolate bar melted in my pocket. Yeah, so today I came back to test popcorn kernels to see if they pop.
Can I stay around and watch?
Yes, sirree. Well, here goes nothing.
Wow, that really worked. Yeah.
First, we have to test this for radiation. Blub, 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 blub. Hey, no radiation. I guess we could eat this.
Those are the intelligent men that invented the magnetron. They realized that they could use it to heat food without any risks involved.
That's fantastically swell.
Yes, that's what I wanted you to understand by taking you here.
Why are we in chairs?
What are you talking about? We're not in chairs.
Oh. Okay. Well, thank you for taking me here. I really feel like I have the confidence to stand in front of the microwave while it's cooking from now on.
I'm glad I could help you overcome your short-lived fear of microwave ovens.
Chairs?
War bowl again? Yup. We're going to the present this time, so we can see how microwaves work today.
With the safety features.
Yes.
Good to know.
Nowadays, microwave ovens won't operate if the door is open.
Really?
Why don't you stick your hand in that bad boy right there? I said stick your hand in the microwave!
Okay, mister. Ah! Oh, it didn't work. I'm surprised.
Golly, that was a great idea. Without that, I could have seriously injured myself.
I have something prepared. There are more standard safety features on microwave ovens. There's a limit on the strength of the leaking of microwaves from the oven. This limit is set about 1 milliwatt per square centimeter at 5 centimeters from the oven. This is very far below from the amount that is known to harm humans. Think about this. A cell phone gives off more than 3 times as much microwaves as a microwave oven. So if you can trust a cell phone, you can trust a microwave. Alright, look over there.
Oh, okay.
future to show you the new microwave. It has a whole bunch of new standard safety features, and it does a whole bunch of mindless things that don't even need to be done.
This is oh my god, it's moving.
Hello, I am C-3PO, Human Cyborg Relations. I'm fluent in over 6 million dialects.
It's not really helpful as a microwave, as far as I'm concerned. But
Hello. Thank you.
It's okay. It's supposed to make that sound.
Your food is ready.
what kind of safety features does this microwave offer?
Feature high-tech leakage reduction, and I will refuse to operate if I am damaged.
That's intense.
Intense. Oh.
I can't wait till I can have one of these.
Not for a couple hundred years. Now let's go back to the present.
Yeah. Where are we going?
The present.
Okay, let's go. Stop it. Huh.
I'm glad I could help you overcome your fear of microwaves.
Thank you
And
very much.
and help you better understand.
I do understand.
Very well.
Please, please.
Na 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 na. Kill them with the now. Na 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 na. Kill them with the heads high. Kill them with the no. Just make a boy know you're not blow. Heads high. Kill them with the no. No boy ain't got no secret for your wow. Heads high. Kill them with the no. Just make a boy know you're not blow. Heads high. Kill them with the no. Tell them say Vegas say so. Me why you skin your teeth and make me see it if you're sure from